Hi, Julie here. Welcome if you are new, or welcome back, my friend. And also welcome back to my crochet gift series. Today is day 6 and we're making this super cute Minecraft Pig Backpack Chain, a gift that kids actually want. So let's crochet it together, and the material list it's going to be listed down below this tutorial, so don't forget to check out the description box. So you are going to start first by chaining 19. So make first a slip knot and then chain 19. Starting into the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet into each chain across. At the end you are going to have 18 single crochets in total. You are going to work over your 18 stitches in single crochet rows for a total of 18 single crochet rows. Once you have this done, I'll meet you back to show you how to work around the panel. So once you've made your panel, you're going to take your dark pink and start into the last row that you've made and make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet into each chain. So you should have 18 single crochets in total. Now in the corner and in each corner you are going to chain 1 and start right away into the first single crochet row, and you should also have 18 single crochets since you have 18 rows. Then you are going to chain 1 again and work this side, chain 1, work the last side, chain 1 and slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1, fasten off. So to make the face panel you are going to chain again 19. Starting into the second chain from the hook you are going to make single crochets. So again you are going to have a total of 18 single crochets, and you are going to work with your main pink color a total of 3 rows, and I'll meet you back once I have my 3 rows done. For row 4 you are going to chain 1 and turn your work, make 5 single crochets with your main pink, 3, 4 and 5, and it is tapestry crochet, so always when changing color you are going to finish the last stitch with the next color that you are going to work. Now you are going to take your lighter pink, make a slip knot and then finish this last stitch with your lighter pink and make 8 single crochets in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now I'm going to finish my last 5 stitches with my main pink color. Now chain 1 and turn your work. For row 5 you are just going to repeat row 4. Row 6 you are going to make 5 single crochets with your main pink, and now you are going to take your darkest pink tone, make a slip knot and finish this stitch. With your darker pink you are going to make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Now you are going to take your main pink, make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4, take your darker pink again and make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and now take again your main pink color and finish your last 5 single crochets using your main pink. Row 7, it's going to be a repeat of row 6. You can now cut off the darker pink and we are going to continue. So chain 1 and turn your work. Now row 8 and row 9, it's going to be a repeat of row 4 and row 5. I'm now at the end of row 9. Now to finish this last stitch, you are going to take your black color, finish the stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. For row 10, you are going to make 3 single crochets with black. Don't finish. Now you are going to take white, finish the stitch, and then make 2 single crochets in white. Now you are going to take your main color, your main pink, and make 8 single crochets with pink. Now take the white, finish the stitch and make 2 stitches in white, so 2 single crochets in white. And now take the black and make your last 3 stitches in black, like this. Row 11, it's going to be a repeat of row 10, and then the last 7 rows, so from row 12 up to row 18, you are going to work only with your main pink. Okay, now we are going to stitch around the nose, the mouth, and I'm using this this is also a shade of pink. So thread your needle with your yarn and you can start actually where you want. I'm going to start down here into the corner and I'm going to leave tail so that I can tie a knot once I've made everything. And now I'm just going to follow the pattern that I've stitched, that I've crocheted, and I am just going to sew all the way around, so like this. And voila, this is how the face is looking like. Now go ahead and single crochet all the way around the panel, the same as we did for the other panels. Okay, now it's time for the assembling. So for this I'm going to take the same colorway that I've used to make the last round of the panels. I'm going to thread my needle and to join the panels. So this is going to be the face, this is on front, then you're going to join the top, sides, each one panel on the side, then you are going to have one panel for the back and one panel for the belly, to say so. Join first the top, so all the way around the face, the sides with the bottom, and then I've already cut my foam. I'm going to stick the foam inside and then I'm going to join the last panel. And to join the panels, I'm just going to use my yarn needle and then sew, going through the loops like the mattress stitch. I believe it is called mattress stitch. What I forgot to mention before is that if you also want to attach a keychain ring to the pig, you need to sew this in place before putting the foam inside and closing everything together, since this way it's much easier to first of all sew them and then also secure your yarn so that it's not going to come out of your work. So I'm gifting this big Minecraft inspired pig for my kids to be able to attach to the backpack, to their school backpack. So that's why I am attaching a keychain ring. You can also change the size of the pig, of the square, by working with a much thinner yarn and a much smaller crochet hook, like with a maybe 1.5 millimeter crochet hook or a 2 millimeter crochet hook, if you want to have like the square much smaller than it is now actually. So you can customize this to your own liking. So once you've attached the ring, if you're making one, make a few knots on the wrong side of your work and you are good to go. So this is going to hold forever. If you love this Minecraft pig, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for tomorrow's Advent gift. Let me know in the comments which Minecraft animal I should crochet next. Thank you all for watching and for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!